Here are 3 things you need to do or you need to include on your letter or your CV in case you have no work experience when looking for jobs. Number 1, industrial attachments. There are majority of job applicants out there who, whenever they get an opportunity, they mostly complain that they don't have the necessary work experience when applying for such opportunities. I am here today to let you know that there are 3 simple steps you can use to apply for jobs without any work experience. One of them is industrial attachment. As a young graduate coming out from college and hoping to gain any admission or any employment opportunity in any organization, you have to make sure that you include industrial attachments on your CV, because industrial attachments and internships all form part of your work experience, so you don't need to neglect them when preparing your resume or your CV. Another aspect is the skills and programs or voluntary activities you have engaged in. Voluntary activities form part of work experiences, so you don't need to neglect them when preparing your resume or any document you are using to apply for any job vacancy. Always make sure that you include voluntary activities on your resume if you don't have any work experience when applying for jobs. The last one is any learning activity or program you have attended that relates to the vacancy or position you are applying for. If you have learned or engaged in any learning activity, for instance, computing, or any general knowledge you have learned about the position you are seeking to occupy, always make sure that you include it as part of your skills and abilities aspect to enrich your CV or your resume. This is AG Professional Services. You can get my ebook on Stella for more tips and etiquettes surrounding writing the perfect CV. Click on the link in the comment section to get my ebook on stella.com. At AG Professional Services, we do it right.